मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं संघ के प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक और शुद्ध अंतःकरण से निर्वहन करूंगा।
Congratulations to our Prime Minister for completing 1 year, and I think I'm basically skeptical about what kind of work he's doing. He also has a positive and a negative side to him. Like the price hike goes to the disadvantage for the people, so I don't know what good it's doing to the masses. But there are many good things like the security for women, the clean Ganga stuff, and the bullet train, which I feel is really going to develop our country to another level. So yeah, he's doing a good job, and I'm hoping a little more from him for the next few years.
On completion of 1 year of Narendra Modi as a Prime Minister, I'd like to thank him for changing the foreign policy of the country and for changing the reputation of India at the global level. Also, I'd like to thank him for the major economic changes that he's bringing in the country.
And I want to thank Mr. Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister, for his brilliant leadership, and specifically for the insurance schemes, the Mediclaim and the accident policy, which I think will be very beneficial for the poor people.
Congrats on your first completion, and we hope to look forward for more Achhe Din.
Dear Mr. Modi, it would be nice that if you stop roaming all over the world and really concentrate on issues which are important to our country. That would make India a much better place to live in than all the investments that come from all over.
मेरा एक स्मॉल एडवाइस है सर से। द मेन एडवाइस ये है कि जितना मेरे को लगता है देयर शुड बी एन एग्ज़ाम फॉर गेटिंग अ टिकट फॉर अ कैंडिडेट हु कैन स्टैंड इन इलेक्शन। द रीज़न बिहाइंड दिस इज़, जितना मुझे पता है एक कलेक्टर बनने के लिए बहुत टफ एग्ज़ाम से जाना पड़ता है, जो है MPSC UPSC, और ये क्रैक करके फिर वो कलेक्टर बनता है। बट कलेक्टर के ऊपर जो बंदा है वो पोस्ट के लायक है या नहीं, वो एक हमें पता नहीं रहता है पीपल को। तो द मेन रीज़न आई थिंक कि वो लोग को ये एग्ज़ाम पास होकर टिकट मिलना चाहिए। द रीज़न इज सब लोग को पता चले कि जिसको भी वो वोट कर रहे हैं या फिर जो भी कैंडिडेट खड़ा है इज़ well qualified and have.
And my message for our honorable Prime Minister is that he is doing a wonderful job, and I would like to see him for the next 15-20 years, because his plans are almost the greatest for the development of a country. So I'll be happy if he stays here for another 15-20 years or more than that.
And I would like to just recommend that whatever he is doing on a large scale, that is for the country. But I would like to tell him that he can start something smaller which will just directly help to the small scale people. Whatever he is doing, he is just like roping a mango tree which will grow after 20 to 30 years, and then it will affect to the people. I want something that it will start on a small scale and help right now.
As Narendra Modi is completing his 1 year, so I really want to congratulate him, and I appreciate him as a person. The message I just want to give to him is like the rapists which are roaming in the country freely, I think he should really do something about him. He should increase the punishment, because the rape victims, they suffer, their families suffer, many of them die. We girls, we cannot really roam freely in the country. We are always scared of what the guys and everything, they do whatever they want, and they just go away because they know that nothing is really going to happen to them. So I just want to say that kindly put a very strict punishments so that the rapists and all, they also feel scared before committing a crime.
The message is that the economy is still not doing well. The expectations were many from Mr. Narendra Modi, but still, it's still way behind for, the delivery mechanism to take place. So we are still hoping that something drastically, something different will be happening, but it is not so. And on the industrial front also, though the Made in India concept is on, but still it is taking time. Time is, lot of time is being given. That is what is the message I would like to give.
I'd like to congratulate our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and thank him
that for all the contributions he's given us so far to this country, and I'd congratulate him for completing one successful year. And we expect a lot as being the younger generation and the upcoming Gen Next. We expect a lot from our Prime Minister, and obviously his contributions are to be seen, but we'd like to also see some contributions to our farmers who are really suffering a lot, but it's expected that he does something really well for them as well.
I would like to ask the Honorable Prime Minister, we are only talking of development. How can the country develop if you don't curb the growth of population? Where will you have the resources to get all this? This was in no party's election manifesto. Is this not going to be a fire program? Moreover, for the full year, Mr. Modi has been going all over the world to get business, but we don't see any positive impact of that tours.
मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है हमारे ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी से कि हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम जो है वो काफ़ी आउटडेटेड है, जिसमें अननेसेसरी वर्क ज़्यादा होता है, लाइक सबमिशंस, जिसका ज़्यादा कुछ यूज़ नहीं होता है। तो स्टूडेंट्स लोग पढ़ाई छोड़ के उसी के पीछे भागते हैं और एट लास्ट वो सब जाता है रद्दी में, तो उसका ज़्यादा कुछ यूज़ नहीं होता है। और हमारे इसमें अननेसेसरी सब्जेक्ट्स भी है लाइक मैथ, जिसके वजह से स्टूडेंट्स लोग का पूरा साल बर्बाद हो जाता है। तो शायद से वो हटा देना चाहिए, मतलब बेसिक्स मैथ्स इज़ ओके। तो फिर मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है कि थोड़ा इम्प्रूव करें, हमारे इस एजुकेशन सिस्टम को थोड़ा अपग्रेड कर दीजिए।
जब इलेक्शन था तब बोलते थे कि अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं, पर अच्छे दिन नहीं है, दिन वही है, अच्छे हुए नहीं अब तक। तो एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि दिन अच्छे आए। रेट्स, पेट्रोल रेट्स, ये रेट्स वो सब बढ़ते ही जा रहे हैं, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि मतलब उनको प्रेस करें हम। तो उनके लिए मैसेज ये है कि कुछ ऐसा करें कि हम उनको प्रेस करें सच में। मोदी सरकार इज़ नाइस सरकार, हम ऐसा बोले उनके लिए। तो ये मैसेज उन तक जाना चाहिए कि कुछ अच्छा जनता के लिए, हमारे लिए, यूथ के लिए स्पेशली वो करे कुछ। अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट भी सॉल्व, मतलब प्रॉब्लम्स हो चुके हैं यहाँ पे मुंबई, मतलब ऑल ओवर इंडिया में ही। तो कुछ अच्छा, कुछ सॉल्यूशन वो निकाले उसके लिए।
I would like to congratulate Mr. Narendra Modi for completing 1 year of the parliament. He has done lot of works, new policies he have initiated, which have led to progress in our country. We are expecting a lot from him because of the damage the Congress government have caused for 60 years. So we should give him much time so that he can recover the current position. And again, he's a great PM.
1 year since Mr. Modi has become the PM of India, all that I have observed is clean stations. That is something I'm happy about. I'm happy about the women empowerment policies, the employment rates going high, all the schemes that he's come up with. That is something I'm positive about. However, talking about other schemes in general, like the land bill and other policies, other schemes that are coming in place, I feel a little skeptical because I feel it's going towards capitalism slowly and subtly in the name of democracy. Anyway, but we'll see what he does in the next year or two. So let's wait and watch.
देशाचं भवितव्य खूप चांगलं आहे. आपला देश नक्की महासत्ता होईल. व्हेरी गुड.